last time na kinanta mo, I can't fight this. Sige, here we go.
Happy birthday, Kuya! I remember the days when you're here with me. Those laughter and tears we shared for years. Memories that we had for so long, it's me and you. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You break my heart. What should I do? Babe, I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you, baby. I wish someday you'd be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home.
Thank you so much, Gina! Uy, layo ka ng layo kay Francis. Sabi ko, umurong ka dito para maligtan ka nung song. Sige, anyway, sabi ni Nathan, ano na lang daw, someone who believes in you. Uy, galing. Marunong magbilang si Nathan. Sakto to, 10 kami. Ang UC, na mambili ng